Grabe tong batang tumatulog. Wagas. Good morning, guys. Okay. Today is Saturday. Okay. Sorry, nag-burp. Okay, I'll just clean the room. Actually, magtitiklop lang ako ng... Well, di ko naman titiklop. Lalagay ko lang sa ibabaw ng bata kasi I think she might be cold after the aircon. Malamig yung aircon namin. Ayan. Pumuta na. Itsura. The issues. And I'm gonna do my morning business. And then I'm still deciding if I'm gonna get coffee or tea for today. What do you guys think? I'll talk to you in a while. I'll let you see if what I'm gonna have. I'm gonna decide. And we're done. Here's the tea. And we have the Earl Grey red tea. Before I do anything else, because I was supposed to clean the cat, you know what, in the morning, I'm gonna have some tea. Mabango siya. I really love Earl Grey tea. I don't know why. I just find the scent soothing and really nice. Oh yeah, TMI moment. Alam niyo yung pag sa umaga, you have to go. What I mean by go is like do the number 2, okay? I just felt like every single morning, ganun na yung ginagawa ko. It's like a routine now, which is good. Kasi before, I had constipation. So, I think drinking tea in the morning or maybe coffee or anything warm in the morning regulates bowel movement, which is such a TMI moment. I don't know if you guys could relate to me to it kasi okay, according to my BMI, I'm obese na talaga. Parang malapit na ako sa morbidly obese. So, ang sakit sabihin sa sarili na, Alice, obese ka na. It doesn't sound right, but that's the truth. I have to lessen my food intake and do more exercise, which I actually do now. If you guys don't know, I did Zumba a couple of months back. I stopped, pero I continued exercising through dance beat. Yung Kinect na Just Dance. Yun. I haven't drank my tea. It's still hot. Wow. With one, yung lasa niya, it tastes like Earl Grey tea, but has that very fruity taste to it. Sobrang sarap. Kasi mga pusa ko tulog na naman. Kitties! Tulog talaga sila. Ayaw nila ako today. So I'll just drink my tea and then I'll talk to you guys in a while. Done cleaning up the cat poop. Isa lang yung nag-poop tonight eh. Ay, kagabi pala. Isa lang yung nag-poop. So, okay lang. I'm gonna go inside. I have to do some things kasi before I go to Glorieta, I'm gonna be out today. So, yeah. Talk to you in a while. Madilim, no? Si Dems kumakain ng cheesecake. Ay, salted caramel, blueberry cheesecake. Ano na tikman natin? Isang lagungan lang. Aha. Asa yung caramel lang? Awkward. Mahaba yung muna ba? Oh, vlogging. Vlogging. Name, URL.
Hi, I'm Aika. Oh, www.cartoon.com.
Ay, friend.
Hi, them. Geekitch.com.
Oh, yun yun. I'm now with fellow vloggers. Ayun na naman si Dem. At Planet Handtrade. Yan. You know, URL link, name and URL link.
Cleanerstarcatcher.net.
Yun lang. Oh, ikaw. You know. Ano yung order mo, friend? Ribeye. Angus ribeye. Tapos ito, wala. Appetizer lang. Sisig with laing. Pizza! Pizza. Ang ilang beses mo na ito sa vlog ko.
Ewan ko.
Ayan. Andun naman sa link. Guys, alam niyo na yung link ng website niya, diba? O, baka ulit. Kung ayaw,
Travelonshoestring.com.
now you know. Hey guys, look! We have Mrs. Potts today. Ang cute na! Really, Beauty and the Beast inspired. Si Chip. Si Chip. Kasi may chip siya. This is not... Hindi, di ba may chip na konti si Chip? Oo.
Ang makina. Ay, di, maglalaba.
Maglalaba sila? I thought they're like mother and... Oo, magnanay yun eh. Kasi tawag yun doon, mom. O, diba? Boo, Beauty and the Beast. This is mangosteen. That one is pretty. Ay, hindi ko pwede bigyan si Dave eh. Hindi pwede.
Anong picture?
It's a video.
Hi, hello. Good evening. I'm the
Okay, hey guys. So, we're now at 7-Eleven sa Cubao. We got drunk. Well, not really drunk.
talaga.
No, we didn't get drunk. But, ano lang eh, San Miguel Light lang eh. Walang tama. We're having coffee. I'm having coffee. He's having hot dog and coffee. Ako, coffee and chopaw. Let's see kung ano mangyayari sa isang ko bukas. Oh no.
Haggard na natin.
Haggard. Ikaw nga naka-eyeliner. Ako walang makeup talaga eh. No makeup at all.
Uy, pinatanggal ko pa sa akin.
Ano yun? Ano yun? Kwento mo nga paano kita nadala dito.
Ayoko nga.
Uy, uy.
Ayoko nga. Private.
Private Benjamin, is that you?
Huwag naman girl, haggard ko na.
O mag-rant ka na, Billy.
Ayoko. Subukan mo.
Actually, she was ranting to me earlier.
Ano?
Joke lang, hindi siya nagra-rant.
Hampasin kita.
Bye-bye.
Gawin mo yan.
Hindi joke lang. O, sige na, babay ka na. Hey guys, good morning. Today's Sunday. So right now, I just woke up earlier. So right now, I'm gonna be drinking my Fridgies. So Fridgies is fruits and veggies in one. So this is the Enchanted Green Garden. I'm gonna be drinking it. It doesn't taste bad.
Once Upon a Time presents Perfecto, 6:45 p.m. Gusto mo bang magkapera? Pag mabili ka rin ng pera, mas malaki yung kikitain mo at madali mo mapalaki yung makita.
Ayun no. Kape.
Yung mga paraan sa Rated J, linggo ng gabi.
I'm actually just reading Facebook feed. Ayun lang. I'll talk to you in a while.